Hey guys, it's Mike here with Unique Mechanics. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Now today we have, oh my God, the most mind-blowing car. This is absolutely gorgeous. The all-new 2018 BMW Alpina B7. Look at those wheels, look at that design. This is literally the only car that's on that stand. It's got its own podium, okay? Absolutely gorgeous. Now, the exquisitely hand-finished, limited production BMW Alpina B7 sedan is reserved for only the most desiring drivers. Now, an extraordinarily powerful engine is matched with the signature Alpina elements, providing its rarest prize on the road. Now, the muscular framework of the 7 Series engine has been refined even further to deliver an astounding 600 horsepower with 590 pounds of torque. The new generation bi-turbo 4.4-liter twin-powered turbo V8 is designed to propel this full-size luxury sedan from 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds out of a blink of an eye. It's absolutely incredible. Now, the sleek aerodynamic elements and the striking Alpina design reflects the powerful performance from the aggressive front and rear spoilers to the quad tailpipes. Iconic signature 20-spoke aluminum wheels added to the dynamic look. Absolutely incredible. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside the car. This is where things get a little crazy. This is where things get beautiful in the sense of really understanding what this car has to offer. It's absolutely outstanding. Now, the Alpina B7 reflects your refined style. Okay, you could literally choose from any array of leather, paint, trim combinations to create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Your personal touches are complemented by the Alpina badging, the emblem making the the engine, the hand-stitched Lavallina leather steering wheel, and the unmistakable Alpina logo. Wow is all I can say. Can we just look at that front dash? Can we just look at that area? Look at those dials. They are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, literally just sitting in that seat, feeling the steering wheel, feeling all the small details will allow you to understand why this car is obviously $100,000 and up. It'll allow you to understand all the different craftsmanship that went into building this car. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, it's equipped with the Advanced Intelligence package. Now, the gesture control system that's embedded into this car, it lets you command your environment with just a wave of your hand, while a full-color LED instrumental panel allows you to basically monitor your entire vehicle's every move. This car is absolutely outstanding, absolutely gorgeous in every single way. I mean, just by pressing that navigation panel right there, that infotainment as I like to call it, you can tell the precision, the quality of the vehicle. You can tell that they've put a lot of time and effort into making sure that the response is so swift, and that's important to me. It might not be important to a lot of other people, but the response rate of when I am playing with a navigation wheel and actually looking at the screen on how quickly it gets moving, it's very important to me. By the way, real quick, that leather that you just saw there, what is that? I don't even know what that quilted pattern is. Okay, it's very different. It's almost like a braided pattern. It was very unique and very interesting to me. This car is so beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at the details of every single button. Every single detail on this car is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I especially love with this, that entire center console is so well done. It's so well built. I mean, like literally everything from the stitching to different lights that they incorporate into the entire piece. It's amazing. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. I mean, have you guys ever been driven around in a high-performance sports vehicle? I personally have not, but I believe sitting in the back of this car would be a dream come true. You have two huge screens that you could probably play a ton of different fun stuff with. You could check out, the navigation. You could probably tune in different radio channels that they're probably listening to around you. I'm sure it's well equipped with every single detail. It's beautiful. I mean, the seats are so comfortable. There's so much room back there. If you have two kids that are fortunate to sit back there and enjoy themselves, wow, bravo to them. And now look at this gorgeous view from the back. I mean, this is like the money shot. The lights, the glam, the stitching, the leathers. It's absolutely remarkable looking in the front from the back. What you're seeing there is probably a a phone dock that lets you obviously power up your cell phone right from there, and the remainder of the back system. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's up? My name is Mike, and I am the videographer here at Unique Mechanics. What I want you to do is subscribe to the channel. Here is my logo. It is a subscription button. Make sure you hit it. It'll take you to the following page to subscribe. Why subscribe? So you can get frequent notifications regarding most recent uploaded videos. If it's a car video, if it's a watch video, if you love them, I want you to continue watching them and continue to get notified. Make sure you do so I can see you here next time. Thanks for watching.